ShenZhen, a Ledwide lighting company limited, established in 2012 as a leading green lighting technology manufacturer, specializes in the manufacturing of innovative next-generation LED lighting solutions that improve lighting quality, improve efficiency, and enhance the environment through reduced energy consumption. We offer full lighting solutions with over 6 years' experience in the lighting field. Now our products are mainly sold to markets such as Europe, South America, United Arab Emirates, and USA. Our main products are LED Aluminium profiles, LED linear light, LED strips, and LED drivers. Unique design, multifunctional, stable quality, and fast response to customer requirement is our success to cooperate with long-term customers worldwide. Our aluminum profiles are used in 6063 grade with T5 temper, and we have CE and RAW certificates, and with strict quality control system to ensure the finish, dimension, function, which ensure 5 years plus warranty. Today, we continuously develop and improve our products and the processes necessary to fulfill today's needs for quality, energy-efficient, eco-friendly lighting solutions. Customer first is our core culture, and we're devoted to providing more and more custom lighting solutions. Our core value is quality, innovation, integrity. It is our great honor to work with you. Ledwide, always be your trusted partner in LED lighting field. Welcome to visit us.